Hello everyone. Today's topic is meaning of dhyana. Chapter number 5, yoga. Meaning of dhyana. As you know, dhyana related with concentration, right? And it is the main stage of Ashtang yoga, main, main asan. ध्यान इज द स्टेज ऑफ समाधि. समाधि जो होती है जिसका जो समय को आधा कर देती है, यू कैन से सम आधी, समय को आधा कर देना, रोक देना. ठीक है. मेडिटेशन हैज़ बीन कॉल्ड ध्याना इन योगा. इट इज स्टेबिलिटी ऑफ माइंड. अकॉर्डिंग टू पतंजलि, कंसंट्रेशन ऑफ माइंड on an impulse without any disverges, disvergence. This is called dhyana. Concentration of the particular thing on the long time, for a long time, is called dhyana. When one feel is reality, it is dhyana. As we see things before our eyes clearly, similarly that everything appear before us clearly when our eyes is closed. We see it is without inner eyes. This stage is called dhyana. It is not an exercise, but it is a stage which is must of achieve everything in life. Without concentrating, we can't achieve. Without concentrating, we can't achieve any material, any spiritual aim. There are thousands of thoughts in our mind. By practice dhyana, we can control our mind. Mind becomes zero, as like an infant who don't know anything about the world. No tension, no tension. A calm mind gives strength and keep us away from disease. This is the best medicine to keep mind and control. ध्यान का मतलब यही है कि अपने आप को किसी भी सिचुएशन में, किसी भी परेशानी में अपने आप के माइंड, अपने माइंड को कंट्रोल करके ध्यान लगाकर उस चीज़ को स्मूथली, वेरी प्यार से और बिल्कुल सुंदर तरीके से उसको हैंडल करना और अपने फ्यूचर को, अपने प्रेजेंट को, अपने आप को कंट्रोल करना. राइट नाउ बेनिफिट्स ऑफ आसन्स. सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट, it gives it gives peace to the mind and heart. It increase power of concentration. It increase the mental power which control our power distracting our mind. It increase the trust and we are able to understand one another. एक दूसरे को हम समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. Enhance self knowledge. सेल्फ नॉलेज को भी हम समझने की कोशिश करते हैं. इट एनहेंस फिजिकली, मेंटली एंड स्पिरिचुअल स्ट्रेंथ. सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट पार्ट जो है, फिजिकली, मेंटली एंड स्पिरिचुअली स्ट्रेंथ. दिस इज द मेन बेनिफिट्स ऑफ मेडिटेशन. नेक्स्ट आता है योगिक क्रियाएं. व्हाट इज योगिक क्रिया? अ मैन बॉडी इज लाइक ए मशीन. एज अ मशीन, as a machine needs to be maintained regularly and from inside and outside from the smooth functioning. Similarly, the human body also need to keep clean daily for the smooth working. Therefore, we kept our body clean. Therefore, we kept our body clean, but don't pay any attention to its inner cleanliness, which we need the most. Which we need the most. Apart from asana and pranayama, for the purification of different body system, some exercises are done in yoga, which called Satkarma exercise. Satkarma exercise means 6 action. You know, Satkarma exercise, which means 6 asana, 6 action. Our internal cleansing is done through 6 exercise. they help to clean our body internally. First is Niti Kriya. First is Niti Kriya. Second is Dhoti Kriya. Third is Basti Kriya, Nauli Kriya, and Tarak Kriya, Tartak Kriya. Fifth and sixth is Kapal Bharti Kriya. Right? नेति क्रिया. व्हाट इज नेति क्रिया? जो नित्य काम होते हैं, डेली रूटीन के काम जो होते हैं, दैट इज इट इज डन इन मैनी वेज. जल नीति, सूत्र नीति, घृत नीति, तेल नीति, एंड दूध नीति. Water or the above mentioned substance is poured in a bowl having a spout. From the spout, it is put inside one of our nozzle. हमारी नाक में से एक नली में, केतली से ले या कोई चीज़ लेके हम उसमें पानी अपने एक नाक की नली में डालते हैं, देन दूसरी तरफ से उस चीज़ को निकालते हैं. But the nozzle outside which water or other substance has come should be kept low. These kriya should be done under the able guidance of some expert. These kriya help to cleaning the system of the throat. Right? अब आता है धोती क्रिया. The dhoti is made of velvet. It is antiseptic. Its length is 22 feet and width is 4 inches. While one having sitting posture, the dhoti taken in through the food pipe. Afterward, one stand up and take out dhoti slowly but steady. This kriya help to clean the food pipe. It is also help in the treatment of cough and disease. And this is then a Basti Kriya. This Kriya, water and air are taken in through an ounce in a cleans and large in sometimes. Nauli Kriya. In this Kriya, one bend forward and breath out. The stomach is shrunk so that the front muscle of the stomach may meet its back muscle forward. The muscle of stomach facing the head should be exposed. Keeping our hand on the thigh, rotate the muscle clockwise and anti-clockwise. This kriya is helped in treating acidity, constipation and other disease related to the intestine. Then next is Tartak Kriya. It is two kinds of Bhairang Tartak and Antarang Tartak. Bhairang Tartak is in this Kriya sitting in the front of the light, earth lamp on the look and lamp without blinking one eyes. It is done till eyes wake up with tears. It is helped to treat sight disorders. Then Antarang Kriya, Tartak. In this Kriya, the Dhyan has been kept between two eyes. The Arth Chakra, Agya Chakra between two eyes keep in rest. By practicing this Kriya, we awake with Agya Chakra. If the Agya Chakra awake, then we can get the power of light like Divya, Drishti, Divya Darshan and Doordarshan. Kapal Bharti. Kapal Bharti, the Kriya is similar of Basti Kriya. In this Kriya, one breath is slowly. After some time, one breath in and out quickly. It gives energy to the person to help treat the disorder of liver, stomach and etc. etc.